Hi guys, welcome to Straka channel guys. So guys, this is a very important topic about the YouTube discovery ads. So guys, majorly when open a YouTube channel, the people showing this kind of ads. So what is this kind of ad? They pay call MS ad, MS player ad, Byju's ad. Lot of people will be saying for different ads. When refreshing, ad will be changed. So what kind of this ad? This ad kind of discovery ad. This is nothing but discovery ad. So any people will be suggest here in this glowing for images. I'll show you. Any people YouTube will be show on the particular search option or open a YouTube channel. They show all and nothing but video discovery ad. Then maybe website will be promote, maybe something will be promote by using in this YouTube channel option. How we can promote this type of video ads? First of all, go to AdWords adwords.google.com, google.com/adwords. Select campaign. In this campaign, we have certain goals are there. The goals will be supported sales, lead generation, website traffic. Suppose without goal, they call discovery. Discovery ad will be showing for total three platforms. Create visual reach, personalized ad that drive engagement with your brand across YouTube, Gmail, Discover ad. But your small logic is there. I'll show you that logic will be here. So where is showing for mobile, where is showing for desktop, how is I using for discovery ads. Now coming to selecting discover ad. So all I'm saying, if you're selecting for brand awareness, no discovery. App promotion, no discovery. And this one, no discovery. Website traffic, they show discover ad. So what are the options? Select discover ad. If you're looking for website traffic, selecting for discover ad. If you're selecting for leads, selecting for discover ad. If you are looking for sales, selecting for discover ad. So now here people will be showing this one. Buy wireless headphones at low price. That mean by their creating will be sale purpose. Now I'm creating this will be website traffic purpose. Which one? Discovery ad. Suppose I don't selecting for any goal, that I go for discovery ad. How it can happening? Discovery ad. Select for continue. Steps are manually follow for this option. So DR, selecting your country or location, language is common. Now bidding, it is a click purpose, conversion, impression, lot of options are there. This mostly will be given by the conversion. The conversion means recommended your campaign goal based on they will be most of the people convert purpose to go to your website purpose. Send your daily budget. I'm sending for 1500 my daily budget. The based on they give estimation results will be here. But a small drawback is there. They're showing for clicks and everything here. Now here, after selecting this budget, now showing for ad group. Each campaign will be same. Campaign, ad group, ads option. After that, select your audience. So what are the audience will you select? I'm selecting Amazon. It is possible or not Amazon. Amazon will be not possible. So suppose I'm selecting for SEO people. It is a possible. Yes, it's possible for SEO people. Suppose I'm target for business people. Now target for business people here. So how we can happening this kind of customers will be sort out will be here. That is all will be audience. If we go specific audience, go this option name is called audience option. Next will be demographic, age, gender, parental status, income holder, household income, everything will be here. In this, what are the properties you are looking for? You will be select. Remaining you can uncheck box this option will be here. So what are the properties you will be select? You can select the options. Next one, the final one is called ad create. So what are the option will be created by the ad purpose? So guys, everyone I'm creating for discover ad. Lot of people is worry about that. Where is the discover ad? So all I'm showing for image also. That car and all will be called true view video discover ads. So that all options will be given and a particular discover ad. Select ad here. Discover casual, discover ad here. If you're selecting this option, We can create visually reach and interactive to the show across YouTube, home feed, Gmail, Discord, and home, and more. That mean by here is the YouTube home page. So these all option will be given to the particular option will be discovery ad. If your cursor multiple image, discover ad only one image. Select here. Now in this, I have to target by the my final URL. The URL will be here, maybe my channel or maybe my videos, maybe my options. But a small option, anyone you promoting any channel, this is the option will be selecting for URL option. This option will be select to the particular URL and a particular channel. This mean by what is the drawback is called or anything, nothing will be happening in this URL. The URL mainly focus for to subscribe our channel to the new users. Next one, selecting for image and logo. There are totally 5 headlines and 5 description. What are the option you can select it? There will be add URL business name. I'll use my business name Digital Rakesh. So add visit site. They're showing mobile device. The depend option, desktop. See this. Ad will show to customer. Headline. So this all property. YouTube, Gmail, and Discovery. But Discover visible only for mobile device. And Gmail and YouTube. So these all condition will be show the customers will be desktop and mobile device also. So finally select your logo. What are the video will be promote automatically the selecting for your screens where from your channel or else upload by image will be here. So what are the image will be suitable? Select your ratios. So what are the ratios will be select? Everything will be save this option. Total images are there. You have to look onto the images and select the image will be discover ad. Most of the channel will be promoting by using description, title, and your image and logos. That is properly mentioned by here. Depend on mobile, depend on desktop, the image will show to the customers. So that is the option will be selecting will be here is the thing. Select your ratio and click for save and here is it. So image will be happening some error. So that is the we can selecting for in this. So yeah. So these all image. You can go with upload for any image will be here. So these are the particular ratios. So these are the image will be select two things. When uploading time, there are two options will be created here. So selecting time, one is image, second will be logo. The results will be ratios. They will be selecting for complete 3 ratios. Any image you will be select. One is called 1:1, 4:5, 1.91:1. So these are the ratios will be selecting for your particular options. So that all ratios will be here on the particular options. So that all will be your particular ratios. So this all will be option selection in your discovery. Write your title. So title depend on your option. You can write it. I'll writing for here the particular headline and title option. The headline will be 40 characters. Total they will showing for 5 headlines. Description will be total 90 characters. It will be showing for complete for 90 characters. So in this particular, all options will be given by the in a particular things. So here, just I'm writing for advanced digital marketing training online free here. So after this option, we can writing for here. This will be automated. Or else we can go for apply now, book now, contact us, download now, number of things. I'll give the subscribe option. Why I have to promote in my channel? If you promote your website, there is a different option will be given by the apply now, book now, anything will be here. So the all option will be given in a particular. I'll show you how we can show to customer will be here. This will be discover ad will be show to customer total YouTube, Gmail, and discovery. The discovery will be show only for mobile device. That will be open your YouTube channel. The show all ours will be here. This will be sharp now. So I can change will be option is called sharp now option will be here. That is called sale purpose will be creating the ads. What are that design? You finally click the create the campaign option. So these are the methods will be followed by the your particular discover ad by create the campaign option. So this is a method you will be create the discover ad option. You have only important five headline, five description. Each description 90 characters. Each headline will be 40 characters. Headline will be supporting for five. After adding the image and logo will be here. 4 is to 5, 1 is to 1. The ratios will be designed by the using Canva. 1080 by 1080 and 200 by 200, 600 into 314. These all pixel will be supporting Discover ad. Any pixel will be worried just to click with this kind of options. You can click for 1 is to 1 ratio pixel in Google. 200 by 200 pixel to 200 by 200. 200 into 200 to 200 by 200. Most of the people selecting for 1080 into 1080 pixel. These are the way you creating for Discover ad to generating traffic your website and YouTube channel based on this option. Any further doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support how to creating for Discover ads will be supporting for more to the particular audience. So this option will be given for YouTube channel to create Discover ad by YouTube homepage. That is called here is the option will be given is run YouTube search results and watch page and both desktop and m.youtube.com. Mobile app homepage also will be show this discovery ad. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and ask any question about the Google Ads option.